say hi? Hi everyone! Kuya Den and baby son here. And as you can see...
Kuya Den ka na?
Kuya Den! Oo. Yun yung tawag nila sa akin. And as you can see, we have this gadget right here. You know what this is? What is this? It's the HUAWEI MatePad T. This is made for kids. It's the kids edition. So let's show it to them. Show natin, show. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, so it's still in its box and we're gonna open it right now. You wanna open it? Okay, let's go. Stay here. We're gonna open it.
Open now.
It's open now.
Yes.
Remove the plastic. Oh. Wow, okay. Become excited now. Alright, so this is the HUAWEI MatePad T. Let's show it. Move it closer. So it says here that this product includes a tablet and a protective case, including the stylus pen. The tablet can be removed from the protective case. Open it. Is it? Okay, ayan. And then, remove this one. This one. Ito. Remove it. And then, yon. Let's show it. Wait. Let's show it to them. There you go. Yay! It's the HUAWEI MatePad T and it's color blue and green. Do you like the color?
Yeah.
So here we have the HUAWEI logo and there's a, what do you call this? A handle? So you can carry it more easily. You like the pencil? And this is what it looks like from the back. Wait. We'll just show it to them, huh? And as you can see, it does have a camera at the back. And to the side, there's a micro USB port right here. And to the other side, there is a 3.5mm audio port. Okay, so Sunny's very excited. We're gonna turn it on right now, okay? How do we turn it on? Do you know where the power button is? Where's the power button? Very good. Turn it on. This one.
It's working.
It's not working? No, it is. There you go. Let's show it to them. See, it's already turned on. It's showing the HUAWEI logo. Let's wait for the sound. You're supposed to... Are we supposed to hear anything? What? What are we supposed to hear? Oh, there you go. Did you hear it? And we have the EMUI logo right here and we're supposed to set it up. So let's get started. We're gonna select English. Hold on, baby. We're gonna set it up. The pen is here. And then we're gonna...
No, now.
Okay. Hold on. We have to set it up. So give us 5 minutes. We're gonna set things up. So she is attracted to the pencil. Do you think you can take it out by yourself? So right now it's asking for our HUAWEI ID. You can't? Okay, I'm gonna do it for you. So it's not that easy to remove the pen for a child. And it's not that easy for an adult either. Wow, this is hard to remove. So as you can see, it does have a pen right here, but it's a little difficult to remove. This is the pen. Oh, okay, you can play with the pen. It's asking for Huawei ID, so I'm gonna have to log in. Okay. You wanna draw? We'll draw in a bit. We have to log in. Oh, okay, so we can actually skip the login for the Huawei ID. Device protection, face recognition, or password. We're gonna skip that. Set up enhanced services. We're gonna skip. Yes, there's so many things that we need to set up, but as you can see, we just wanna go and start playing with the device. Yes, yeah, we're gonna do it later. It's frustrating because it's asking for so many things. Like it wants you to go through this tutorial for navigation gestures, which we are not really interested in it right now. Yeah, I know. Yeah, but apparently we have to do this and we can't skip it. Yes, just wait. Oh, we've finally completed the tutorial, and finally, after there's so many steps just to get to the home page. Okay, you want to draw? Is there an application that's pre-installed that will let us draw? Let's figure it out. Kids Corner. Okay, tap it. Tap. Kids Corner. We're supposed to agree. Welcome to Kids Corner. Place to learn and play. Check that out. Eye protection, ebook mode, posture alert, time limit, length per session. Okay, let's see if there's a drawing app and we're supposed to set a password. Yeah, I know you want to play, but we have to do this because we can't skip it. So we're supposed to set a parent password. There's more apps here. I'm not sure where the drawing app is. I think this is it. We found it. Okay, this is what she wants to do. Okay, let's go. Go and draw. What are you drawing? What are you making? What did you make? What did you draw? What did you draw? Huh? Let's show it to them. Let's show them your magnificent drawing. It's working. Okay, the nice thing about the handle is that it also works as a... You want to draw? Okay. Yeah, it also works... Sorry. It's painting. Okay. We'll go back to that later. In the meantime, we're just gonna go through the rest of the box. So after removing this top layer right here, we have a few more accessories right here. We're gonna start with this one. Okay, so this is the power supply unit for the PSU. I can't really read it right now. Okay, over here is the SIM remover tool.
I'm going to attend a prayer. Sorry, let's dress up.
Now we have some documentation, quick start guide, and warranty card right there. And then lastly, we have the USB cable. It's a micro USB cable, more traditional type of connector. And that's it. Okay guys, so we have 2 gigs of RAM and I'm not sure, 16 gigs of internal storage, so not a lot. We have a 1280 by 800 pixel screen. I know you want to play. We're gonna go and shoot some sample photos using different subjects in different lighting conditions, and then you can see and judge for yourself. Tell us what you think in the comment section below. Okay guys, so one of the things I like about the Huawei MatePad T is that it comes with this thing called Kids Corner, and it allows you to control your usage. And so as a parent, you want to be able to limit the amount of time that your kid spends playing with the tablet. Another thing that I like about it is that the Kids Corner comes with built-in applications and games that are specially made for children, and they're very kid friendly. What are you doing? And so far she was able to figure things out for herself without any parental supervision. So Sunny right now is a little over 3 years old. She can use these applications on their own. May pangsabit, no? I'm just gonna tell them about the stand, okay? So guys, one of the things that I also like about the Huawei MatePad T is this case. And if you look at this handle right here, not only will it let you carry the tablet, see, you can carry the tablet, right? Using the handle. If you flip it like this, it also acts as a stand. Look, if we do it like this, bam, it's a stand, and you can place it on top of your table and use it like so. And alternatively, you can use it like this, so that it's inclined and your kid can use it like as if it were standing in front of you. The pen is also nice, and I think a lot of kids would really appreciate it, especially if she's at a stage, or he or she is at a stage that they like to explore and doodle. So the pen would really be a nice value addition, so that you don't have to use actual pens and risk getting ink and doodle all over stuff like walls or cabinets and clothing. Performance-wise, I'm not really expecting too much out of the MatePad T. It has very, very modest specs. As you can see, we only have a HD screen, 2 gigs of RAM, and around 16 gigs of storage, which is not a lot. It's really designed and made for younger users. And so another thing that I didn't really like about the MatePad T is the very long setup process. It asks for so much information, and as a kid, you would want to be able to get up and running as soon as possible. So I'm not entirely convinced that all of the information is needed and all of the steps in order to set the tablet up is entirely necessary, and it's not too clear at the beginning if there was a way to skip. Yes, we have to create a child profile. I kind of understand, because if you have a regular phone or a regular tablet, you do have to provide all of that information, and you do have to configure your device before you can use it. As you can see earlier on, Sunny was very excited and she really wanted to use the tablet as soon as possible. So we didn't want to bother with all of those steps. We don't want to have to go through all the things that you normally have to go through when you're setting. We didn't really want to bother with all the extra steps. We just want to be able to get up and running as soon as possible. For all the parents out there like me, is this the type of device that you're looking for your kids? So I would like to hear your thoughts. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, as usual, feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate if you could support our channel by subscribing. And until next time, this has been Kuya Den and Baby Sunny. We're gonna say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.